How to change your user ID on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to One Clicks Finance, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your user ID on the REDnote app. Your user ID is a unique set of numbers that helps identify your account, and changing it can help you personalize your profile. Let's get started. First thing first, open up your REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in so that we can access your profile settings. Go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you have logged in and get to your profile, just tap on this edit profile button right here to get to your profile edit. And here you will find your name on the very top and your ID. So if you tap on the user ID, this set of number is a unique set given to your account that helps to identify your account. To change it, you just have to tap on the field and type your new preferred username or ID. You can add letters and numbers to your user ID, but it can only be a maximum of 15 characters. So I'm just going to enter my name right here, and I'm not going to enter any numbers. So after you are happy with your new user ID, all you have to do is tap on the save button on the top right corner like this. And once you save your changes, your ID will also be changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. If this video helped you, give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.